Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Galaxy A06 device. If you want to change language of your device, so all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll so that we have an option of additional settings. And then as you see, we have an option of general management. So just tap on general management and on the top we have language option. So just tap on language and as you see it is selected on default English United States. If you want to change any language, so just click add language and then select the language from here. Like I am selecting Italian, just select this language and then if you want to set, so just click set as default. Now as you guys see, the language is now changed. And if you want to change it again to English, so just tap on English and then make it to upward so that your language will be changed. Make sure the language will be selected by preference. All you guys have to do just select the language and make English to upward. So that's how we can change the language in Galaxy A06 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take